Business studies were not allowed to be represented at university in the 1920s and 30s. Most universities said that this is sort of a vocational training and is not at all serious science or serious studies, but we have changed the branding of business studies. And now you must have experienced during 3 days that it is a structured endeavor and it requires a lot of intelligence, and you have to learn a lot of things to be successful in this area.
There is an agency within the UN system dedicated to tourism, so the international community considers tourism as a very, very important economic sector and a way of development. We have to consider and never forget that 1 out of 11 jobs in the world are related to tourism, and that for some developing countries, tourism represents more than 50% of their exports in total. So this is a very, very important vector of development, job creation, and very, very important also for developing nations and developed nations like we are seeing here in Dubai.
Let me conclude by thanking those who brought this to MODUL University and to you.